What does the car say? Broom, broom. Can you drive the car? What does the car say? What does the jet say? Yeah, can you fly the jet? How does the jet fly?
Okay.
Yeah. Daniel, where's the moon? Where does the moon live?
No.
Yeah, it's up in the sky, that's right.
No.
There's your trucks.
Mama.
Oh.
Oh. No.
Is that a flower?
Papa.
What, can you smell the flower? Smells pretty. Can you say hi? Oh, is that a bunny? Hey Daniel, what does the bunny say? That's right, wiggle wiggle. What does the sheep say?
Papa.
Yeah, what does the chicken say?
Papa.
That's right, can you say bye-bye?
Papa.